Welcome to Dad and Son DIY It All, and today we're going to do a fairly straightforward and easy fix that every car owner should be taking care of. This is swapping out your battery to make sure that you have a good one, so when the time comes, you're not stranded, especially in the heat or the cold. Depending on your battery, you're going to have different ways to get these cables off. For me, it's a 10mm socket. This is on a Honda Odyssey, but most designs are similar. I do save these felt gaskets so you don't get corrosion. I prefer if it was red for the positive and black for the negative, but on mine I only have two blacks. Our battery was old and starting to show signs of struggling, so it's time to swap it with the new one. Here's a tip for you that I wish I would have done on the first go around, is to leave these caps on as you put the new battery in, because it'll remind you where the positive and negatives are. The design of this battery is actually reversed, so the poles actually sit in front. I noticed it right away when I couldn't clamp down the positive because it was too large, but if I would have left the caps on, it would have been easier to notice right out of the gate. Once it's in and seated properly, the last thing to do is to go ahead, tighten it down in reverse order, and get those cables snug. Once finished, hop in your car, give it a quick start, make sure everything's up and running, and if your car's like mine, I had security for both the navigation and the radio. Make sure you have those codes handy, and go ahead and enter them so everything's up and running. With the new battery in, we're good to go, and with a 3-year free replacement, we should be covered for quite some time. But also make sure to take care of your old battery and recycle that properly. All our best and have a great day.